How to change subscription plan on Hulu. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to change your subscription plan on Hulu. So in order to change your plan on Hulu, you have to first of all log in, and when you're logged into your account, click the profile icon from the top right hand side corner, and then a drop down menu appears. From the list, go ahead and select accounts. As you click an account, it's going to take you to this page where you need to go ahead and select manage your account, and under it you need to go to your premium plan and click on manage plan. As you do that, it's going to take you to this page where you need to go ahead and select the plan that you wish to replace it with and click on review changes located right at the bottom. As you do that, you'll be able to see this information as what sort of features are available on the following subscription, and if you're sure about it, then confirm it. And now you need to go ahead and select review changes. As you click on review changes, after that you need to enter in the billing address and all that, or the payment source, and then click the submit button and restart your Hulu application, and within no time you successfully change your subscription plan on Hulu. So that's how you can change your subscription plan on Hulu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was off. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.